The 1979 UK 2 new pence coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II holds historical significance as part of the decimalisation of British currency, though its collectible value is typically modest unless associated with special minting or errors. Below is a detailed exploration of its history, rarity, and current valuation. Historical background. Decimalisation in the UK replaced the old monetary system with a simpler decimal system. The 2 new pence coin, introduced in 1971, became part of this transition. Initially, these coins featured the inscription "New Pence" to distinguish them from the old coinage. This practice continued until 1981, after which the inscription changed to "2 pence" in 1982. The 1979 version of the 2p coin featured obverse, a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II by Arnold Machin, used on UK coinage from 1968 to 1984. The design is known for its elegance and simplicity. Reverse, a depiction of the Prince of Wales' feathers with the motto, Ich dien, I serve. This design by Christopher Ironside is iconic and remained on the 2p coin for decades. Mintage and circulation. In 1979, millions of 2p coins were minted for general circulation, meaning that they are relatively common today. These coins were struck in bronze, a composition used until 1992 when it was replaced by copper-plated steel. Their mass production and standard features generally limit their numismatic value. Rarity and errors. For the 2p coins, rarity and value are typically associated with mint errors. Coins with minting mistakes, such as misstrikes or die errors, can be valuable. However, no significant errors have been widely documented for the 1979 2p coin. Special sets, coins from proof sets, uncirculated and specially struck for collectors, can fetch higher prices. These coins are often flawless, enhancing their appeal to collectors. Historical context. While the 1979 coin lacks the dramatic error story of the 1983 new pence variant, its historical placement in the decimalisation process makes it collectible for enthusiasts interested in this era. Value and market trends. For a standard 1979 2 new pence coin. Circulated condition, these coins usually retain their face value of 2 pence, as their high mintage and lack of rarity limit demand. Uncirculated condition, coins in mint condition or those from proof sets may fetch between £1 and £4, depending on the buyer and market conditions. 9 Source 10 Source. Collecting tips. Check for mint errors, inspect the coin under magnification for anomalies. Grade your coin, coins in pristine condition tends to hold the highest value. Coins from proof sets or in brilliant uncirculated, BU, quality are more appealing to collectors and often command a higher price. 8 Source 9 Source. How to authenticate and value your coin. If you suspect your 1979 2 new pence coin has unique features or is in exceptional condition, consider the following steps. Examine its condition, use grading standards like those provide. The 1971 2 new pence coin, history, rarity, and value. Introduction. The 1971 2 new pence coin is a part of British numismatic history, marking a significant moment in the country's transition to a decimalised currency system. Introduced as part of the decimal coinage system, the 1971 2 new pence coin has garnered interest among collectors and enthusiasts over the years. Although it is not considered exceedingly rare, its historical context and certain varieties make it an intriguing piece for those fascinated by coins. This article explores the coin's history, design, production details, and value, examining what makes this particular coin notable and whether it holds any special value for collectors. The transition to decimal currency. Prior to 1971, Britain operated on a currency system that might seem unusual by modern standards. The system was based on pounds, shillings, and pence, where £1 equaled 20 shillings, and 1 shilling equaled 12 pence, making a total of 240 pence in a pound. Decimalisation was implemented on February 15, 1971, commonly referred to as Decimal Day. This monumental change simplified calculations and aligned British currency with systems used in most other countries. As part of this transition, new coins were introduced, including the 2 new pence coin, equivalent to 1/50th of a pound. Design and specifications. The 1971 2 new pence coin features a design that reflects both tradition and modernization. Below are the key details of its design and specifications. Obverse. The obverse side of the coin displays a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machin. This iconic design, introduced in 1968, depicts the Queen wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. The legend on the obverse reads, Elizabeth II DG Reg. FD. Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. Reverse. The reverse side features the badge of the Prince of Wales, which consists of 3 ostrich feathers encased in a coronet. Below the coronet is a ribbon bearing the inscription Ich diene, which translates to I serve in German. Around the design are the words new pence and the numeral 2. Metal composition. The coin is made of bronze, with a composition of 97% copper, 2.5% zinc, and 0.5% tin. Weight, 7.12 grams. Diameter, 25.91 millimeters. Edge, plain. The new pence, inscription. One of the distinguishing features of the 1971 2 new pence coin is the use of the term new pence on the reverse. This designation was introduced to avoid confusion with the old pre-decimal penny coins. The inscription, new pence, remained on the coin until 1982, when it was replaced with 2 pence. Coins minted from 1971 to 1981 bear the new pence legend, making the earlier versions somewhat distinct but not exceedingly rare, as they were produced in large quantities. Mintage and availability. The 1971 2 new pence coin was the first year of issue for this. The 1971 2 new pence coin, history, rarity, and value. Introduction. The 1971 2 new pence coin is a part of British numismatic history, marking a significant moment in the country's transition to a decimalized currency system. Introduced as part of the decimal coinage system, the 1971 2 new pence coin has garnered interest among collectors and enthusiasts over the years. Although it is not considered exceedingly rare, its historical context and certain varieties make it an intriguing piece for those fascinated by coins. This article explores the coin's history, design, production details, and value, examining what makes this particular coin notable and whether it holds any special value for collectors. The transition to decimal currency.